so today I got a new box and I'm gonna open it. First I have to shake it. Sassy says mine. I'm not gonna open it. Okay, now I'm really gonna open this. Never mind, I'm not gonna open it. Okay. Should I open it or should I not? Actually, I will open it in 5 more years. Let's open this. So.
Hold on. Let me get my cutter.
Look, Daddy Bunny, go do it.
It's so big. Oh my gosh.
What years are these, Mommy?
This is it's a Zodiac sign.
Really? Is it their Zodiac?
So this is it's Aquarius.
What's Aquarius?
January 20th through February 18th. So
This one is not a
I don't know who. Yeah, it's the water girl. She's the water bearer. She pours water for everybody.
It says March 28th through.
Gosh.
Oh my goodness, they're bigger than I thought.
Wow. There's so many. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's go.
That's so cute.
This one is Cancer, the crab. This is Grandma's first one.
Wait, so what year? So like July or something. July 21st through July 27th.
Yeah.
How'd you know?
I just know Grandma's a Cancer. Let's see.
Wait, what's this name again? A Cancer?
Cancer the crab. Oh my gosh. This is
Cancer the crab? You know what
It's a
Cancer?
crab. Cancer's the Zodiac sign.
Is that September?
I think this is March. Let me see.
Yeah, Capricorn.
Oh yeah, this is a goat. Capricorn is my sign. It's a goat. Oh, it's so pretty because it's purple. Good.
So is it you're a Capricorn?
Yeah, I'm a Capricorn. Look. Oh no, this is Aries, the ram. This is yours, Sienna.
Really?
March to April 5th. Yeah, Aries the ram.
Wow, that's so
So
this is so cute.
It is so cute.
I wonder which one's mine. Oh. This is really cute. It might not be it's big, but it's so cute, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, they're adorable.
Can we do that one next?
Okay, let's see that one. Let's see what this one is. I don't know if they said. I don't know what your sign is on. Oh, this is Libra. I think this might be yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
September 23rd to
Oh
October.
my gosh, that is yours. How'd you know?
She has pink.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this is actually so far my favorite one.
It is? Oh. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Are these mine? Are these like my personalities?
Your Aries,
It's courageous,
Your sign.
determined, confident, enthusiastic, optimistic, honest, and optimistic, honest, and passionate. Is that a description of me?
Okay, this is so cute.
That's probably you then.
How did they know that? These are our signs. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Which one is Daddy's?
Oh, I don't think they said Daddy's. Capricorn is my sign.
It says strength, responsible, disciplined, self-control, good leaders.
Oh my gosh.
What does this one say? What does this one say, Mommy? I'll read it. It says strength, cooperative, diplomatic, gracious, fair-minded, and social. Is that me? Is that supposed to be a goat?
Yeah.
What's this one supposed to be?
A ram.
What's a ram? How about this
It's like
one?
a boy sheep. That's a Libra.
A boy sheep? A boy sheep? What's a Libra? I'm a boy.
Libra is a lady who has scales, so she's make sure that everything is fair. The fair fairy. That's not fair. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, let's see. This one is Libra.
The element is air. My element is fire. How about my element?
Your element is...
What color is it? Pink or
Air.
green? Air?
Pink and green, yeah.
Red. Blue, purple, green.
She's the fair fairy. And then on the bottom, this is what the stars. So if you look up in the sky, they have the stars. And that's what it is. I mean, that's a constellation.
So she makes sure everything is fair. That's not fair.
Oh, gosh.
What does discipline mean?
Discipline is,
Wait, Hello Kitty's a girl, right?
Mm-hmm.
And she's dressed in all these little characters, right?
Mm-hmm.
So cute. I can sleep with it and put it on my bed.
Yep.
That means I can hug it at the nighttime.
Yeah.
She could be Velvet's friend. Because she's big like and so I can feel these.
Okay.
Very cute.
I love this little heart crab. This is so adorable.
I really like it. I like how it has big glittery horns. I like yours because it's pink. Really? I like yours because it's purple.
This could trade if you want.
No, this is Aries.
I know.
Which one is mine?
Yours is Libra.
Libra? Her name's Libra.
Oh my god.
Look at this little fuzzy hair.
I know.
And his tail, look. Look, Mommy.
And she has these little polka dot freckles on her back. So cute. Can she take off her hood? She could take off her hood.
Take off their hood?
Yeah, isn't that crazy? That's so cool.
So, are these my personalities? Courageous, determined, confident, enthusiastic, optimistic, honest, and passionate. What does that really?
Yeah. Courageous, Gryffindor, determined. When you want to do something, you do it.
Gryffindor. Confident, Gryffindor,
confident,
enthusiastic, Gryffindor.
Enthusiastic, you're excited about stuff.
Passionate. So I'm a...
Aquarius, or Aries.
How about
What
mine?
does Valentina say?
It said cooperative, diplomatic, gracious, fair-minded, and social. What does that mean?
Wait, read the first one?
Cooperative.
Cooperative, yeah. You work well together with Sienna, right?
Diplomatic.
Diplomatic. Oh, you are so
What
diplomatic.
does diplomatic mean?
It's like you say things to people really nicely. Like instead of saying it in a rude way, you always say things with kind.
What about gracious?
Gracious means like you show that you're thankful.
Fair-minded?
Fair-minded, I guess you're fair. Like fair.
She wants everything to be fair.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. She doesn't like it when things are unfair.
Okay.
Social.
Oh, she
Good
likes...
at getting along with people?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Mine says, tell me if mine is true. Mine says responsible, disciplined, self-control, good leaders.
Yeah. Is that yours?
Responsible, disciplined.
Responsible. What does discipline mean?
Means like I do what I'm supposed to do, and
Yeah, that's you. That's really you.
self-control.
That's you.
Good leader.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's Grandma. Tenacious
What does tenacious mean?
means you're tough, imaginative, loyal, emotional, sympathetic, persuasive.
Is that Grandma? Because she said, what's the first one?
Tenacious, tough.
Is that
Okay.
true?
Yeah, she is. I
Really?
think that's true.
I don't think so. She's gonna be an Aries for Halloween, but right now she's using it as a hoodie to keep her warm. Look at mine. She has a dress on. Look. Ta-da! Her undershirt. I love it since it's a hood. So cute. Look at my glittery stars. She's so fuzzy. You can even see her whiskers like this. You can see her whiskers. She keeps the hoodie on for Halloween. Not even close to Halloween, but she wants to do this for fun. She's a fun Hello Kitty, and her name's gonna be Aries. Her name's gonna be
Libra.
Libra. What about yours?
Mine's gonna be Capricorn.
And what's Grandma's?
Cancer.
Is there another one?
Aquarius.
Aquarius.
Yeah.
What's Aquarius?
Aquarius is the water bearer. She carries the bottle of water and then she pours it out. She carries the water and she pours it out.
That's kind of funny how she carries, but her element is air.
You guys want to talk about these guys?
I really like what she. I like how she has that you can put her hoodie down, and I love this one. Back up. Here, this one belongs to you since no one in our family has this one. Is there any? Is it Uncle Brandon?
No, Uncle Brandon is January. It's after his birthday.
Oh.
We don't know anybody with Aquarius.
How about this one?
That one's mine.
Well, maybe you could send this to Grandma.
Yeah. Oh, so cutie. The crab is my favorite. So cute.
I like yours,
Yours,
I like
Mom?
yours and Sienna's.
Because it has a hoodie. I like the crab because I like the little the crabby patty.
Look at her, she pours the water. It's kind of silly how she just carries around water and then she pours it out.
Oh, maybe she does other stuff that I don't know about. I don't know.
I
I
also
know.
like
She
that.
has this cute little fluffy thing right here.
Like a mustache
Yeah, and then she has these freckles on her back.
and tail. With that, she'd be walking like this
Mhm.
or like this.
Yeah.
Mine walks like this. She has this little fluffy thing. Mine walks regular like this.
Yeah. She's fair. The fair fairy. Wow, they're a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be.
Then they're so cute.
Okay.
Can I go put it in my room?
Yeah.
She's gonna be Velvet Friend. How about yours?